Let's take a look at Kendo AI. Now, this is end-to-end training and management AI for sales teams. We're going to be taking a look at each and every feature, the UI, and what you can pretty much do with it. And by the end of this video, you will decide if this is the best AI sales roleplay platform for you or not. Now, this is by far more than just an AI sales roleplay platform. However, I will go through the roleplay features as well as other features and pricing by the end of this video. So the first thing that you do when you log in is you have this clean UI, which, in this UI, we can see the metrics, we can see total calls, training time, we can also see the role plays that we did right here, and we can see the performance overview. So training pulse, average score for that role play that we did. As you can see, we can also see the rep performance. So you can add multiple different members here or sales reps. And based on these members, based on these sales reps, you can pretty much get their performance, their flagged calls, and their training. Now from there, we also have metrics. So in here, we have average live score, metrics, we have cash collected, close rate as well, and performance per rep. So here we can see the performance per rep, individual rep performance over time, which is quite good. Here we can also see the reps, cash collected, close rate, live call score. So we can obviously go here and see the live calls and the role plays as well. So if we go to role plays here, we can see the average AI score and also the live calls AI score too. So here we can see the leaderboard. So currently we have only one rep here, sales rep. If you have multiple different sales reps, then you will be able to have more than just these two here. And then you would also be able to see the team average trend. So you would be able to see the live call score, which is around 72 for us right now. Now, if you go to call library here, we can upload our calls, and based on that, the AI will rank our calls. So if you already did a call and you want the Kendo AI to rate your call summary, you can get the summary right here for the call. So overall impression, weakness, customer response, strengths. You can also see the scorecards here. So even if AI rates your calls, you can have your CEO or co-founder or founder or maybe a sales team manager can rate your calls as well right here. So if you go to new scorecard, this is where you can actually go and rate your calls for your reps. So let's say you're a sales manager. Let's say you are rating a discovery call or demo call or closing call. This is essentially where you can rate those calls. So you just click on a call, specific call, and then go here and you have discovery and needs analysis. So you go here, you enter the percentage, pitch and value proposition, you enter the percentage, objection handling, close and next steps. You pretty much go and you activate the scorecard. And based on that scorecard, as you can see, you'll have scorecards right here. Obviously, you need to select a scorecard above to score this call. But that's pretty much it, right? That's how it works for the call library. And then you have here developing areas, where your sales rep can improve, reviews as well. So you can add reviews here and leave feedback. And you also have AI roleplay. So in AI roleplay, this is actually what you came in for. This is the reason why this is such a good AI roleplay software. So what you can do is you can basically create a new prospect, and you can create a new prospect from a website, from recording, from manual setup, or from your AI assistant. And what I did is I went to AI assistant, and it basically tells you, or it asks you, tell me more about sales scenario, and I'll create a realistic prospect to practice with. What are you selling and who's your ideal buyer? And as you can see, you can select whether this is business to business or business to consumer. So as you can see, I already had here one more prospect, which is Marcus Delgado. This is a made up prospect. We have discovery call, and then here, as you can see, growth focused CEO manually managing outreach to scale his company. So what we can do is we can start a session here, and you can start the objection handling right here, or you can do the standard training. So as you can see, I can start the standard training here, and I will show you how this works. So here you just go start sales training. Let's start. I'll just remove the camera for this one.
Yeah, that's fine. So, what's this about?
Hey, yeah, so this is about the outreach for your company. I saw that you filled out the form to book a call with us. Um, yeah, what are you doing right now for the outreach?
We do it manually. Like my team handles most of it.
Okay,
Emails. Some
sorry to
we
interrupt you.
hand
Yeah, you can go again.
Yeah, so we handle it in-house. One of my guys manages the outreach, tracks responses in a spreadsheet, follows up manually. It works, but it's eating up time we could spend on actual client work. That's why I'm on this call. But I'm not about to blow up what's working just to scale faster, you know?
Okay, yeah, I totally understand. When you say this works, what do you mean by that? Is it in the range of what you want, or?
I mean, we're getting clients from it. Conversion's decent enough, but the process is clunky. My guy's spending like 15, 20 hours a week on manual follow-ups that could probably be automated. So yeah, it works, but it's not efficient. We're leaving money on the table because he's not doing higher level strategy stuff instead.
Okay, got it. So it works, but it actually doesn't work in a sense where, you still have to do the follow-ups manually. So yeah, this is a thing that a lot of companies have. They actually don't, they don't do it automatically, which is why, they're wasting a lot of money. So can you tell me how much money are you currently spending on that system?
Well, it's not like we're paying for software or anything. It's just labor. My guy's salary. So I don't know, rough math, if he's spending 20 hours a week on this stuff, that's probably, I don't know, 15, 16K a year and just wasted payroll on manual work.
So as you can see, this is the session. I try to be like a sales guy here, but I stuttered a couple of times, right? So here you can kind of go and you can, start your session. Once you start your session, you will be able to take a look at that in overview here, and you would be able to see the average call score, total calls, training time, and your AI role plays. Okay, so once you do this, once this is done, you can go to AI role plays and you can start another session if you want. By the way, you also have LMS or learning management system. So this is where you can create content, such as, let's say content in this sense where, you're building a library of, let's say, courses or sales programs for your sales reps. That's something you can also do. There are also integrations that you can integrate, such as Fathom for AI meeting assistant and note taker, Push API, webhooks, Fireflies, Slack. So these are all like very common integrations. Also, Close CRM is coming soon. So for those of you that are using Close CRM, this is also going to be quite good. Now, team is, you can add a member here. So you can add a team member, which is quite good. It works really well. As you can see, it's only me for now. And then scorecards, this is where you can see the scorecards and where you can see the criteria and stuff like that. So this is the entire thing, right? The entire platform. However, you get a 60-minute free balance. This is, I think, per month. I'm not sure. Or is it a trial? I think it's a trial. And then from there, what you're getting is you're getting $55 per month per seat, billed monthly. So yeah, this is essentially for solo sales reps or small teams. If you want an enterprise custom pricing, then you can book a demo call right here. And then they would be able to give you an enterprise pricing for this. But as you can see, yearly is $44 a month per seat and monthly $55 a month per seat. So it's quite beneficial, quite affordable. So if you're looking for a really good AI sales role play platform, not just that, but also a platform where you can, go and where you can manage your sales team and everything, I think this is a good platform. So overall, if you have any questions around this, comment below and also check out the link in the description for more. We'll see you in the next video.